Hey guys, what's going on? It's Manny here at Willowbrook Chrysler. I've moved from Hyundai and today is one of the best days. 3 reasons. Actually, yeah, 3 reasons. Let's say number 1, it's hump day. 2 more days of working, that's it, then it's the weekend time. For all you other guys, I'm really sorry if you have to work Saturday and Sunday. I really feel for you, but you know what? Don't worry, you guys' day is coming up as well. Second of all, I've got this thing to work on today. Oh wait, sorry. It's a 05 SRT. And yeah, doing a tire swap, doing an oil change. Look at those badass tires. Those things are bigger than my car combined. And hang on. There's one more reason why it's an awesome day. Let me just get into this. Oh. This thing is badass. I think Joel would be really jealous right now, but you know what? It is what it is. It's Snap on Wednesday, bitches!
God damn, it is a nice day. Holy crap. All right. What's going on?
Yes, sir.
I thought Jordan was coming out, no?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up, Joel?
Oh, you know, not much. Enjoying this nice day in the shop. Is Jordan coming out? No?
I don't think so.
No, he ran away scared.
He ran
He ran
He's
away.
like, I just bought a toolbox. What else can you get from me now?
What is that?
Is this a handle for a box?
Oh my god.
Yes, it is.
That thing is so cool.
What?
What box would that fit?
Classic or Masters 24-inch.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That is so cool. I think I've ran across this before, but never actually looked at it.
Chin up bar is so true.
Yeah. That thing's cool as shit.
This clock. So fancy.
Yeah, man.
Pop clock.
You should get it for your pay.
No, because you already have 2. So I don't need to.
2 what? I don't.
You have 2 clocks.
Yeah, I have 2 clocks. Actually, I have 3 because I have the fan that has a clock in it too.
Exactly. So I can just walk by your bay and see the time.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. I guess you're right. I guess.
Or just yell at Jesse and ask what time it is.
Don't you have any way of telling time in your bay?
Yeah, my phone.
No, okay.
I just go boop.
Boop.
Oh, look at that.
I like that. That thing is so cool.
Anything with a skull, right?
I just brought a new mug in today. It's like my Negan mug. Did you see my Negan mug?
No,
it's
I
like
didn't see your
the handle is the bat with the barbed wire on it.
Oh,
and
really?
And it says Lucille on it. Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. My wife bought it for me for Christmas and I haven't used it, so I figured I'd bring it in to use it because I get more use out of it at work. At home, it's usually just beers.
Just beers.
Beers don't taste good in coffee mugs.
No, they don't. They need to be in a bottle or a can.
Yeah, that's true. Or a nice frosted mug.
That too. Do you have any of those A&W mugs at home?
I used to.
I have like 3 of them.
Well, I have I have those mugs. They're not A&W mugs, but I have Black Label Society ones.
Nice.
Yeah, the big Black Label logo on them. So Tyler,
Actually cool. Spark plug gap gauge.
I have one.
It makes it so much easier than the circle.
Yeah, I have one. They're awesome. I mean, we don't use them much here
Dude. It's one of those
because
things.
everything's platinum plugs for the most part now. But
You don't really need to do too much with them.
when I was working at Dodge, that's when I bought mine because we were doing tune-ups like every day on a
Every
Hemi
day.
with 16 plugs. You know, it's a little repetitive. So Tyler, what's going on?
Driving around selling tools.
Yeah. I still never found my flashlight.
Never came back.
No, probably sitting on the road somewhere. I did lose it.
You're still under the seat of a car.
Yeah, it could be that too. I did lose it one day behind a bumper on an MDX when I was working at Acura.
And it came back.
And it came back, yeah.
Nice.
It came back to get something else done on it that I'd sold, and so I'm like, there it is, sitting behind the grill.
It's nice when they come back.
I know, it's way better. Yeah, see, you're lucky that way. Magnetic though too. Mine's not. This one wasn't magnetic because it had the 14 or the 7.2 volt battery in the bottom.
Although it'd be magnetic now.
No, because it's still a 7.2. So it was
Oh,
the one that
the
was one that
7.2
was
battery,
the
yeah, sorry.
circumference of this, right? This one, is that magnetic? No.
No. For those, use that one.
Yes. I don't think I've ever even seen this light before.
Old school.
Yeah.
Needs a new home.
It looks like it's brand new though.
It is.
Hmm. 7.2. Oh, look at that, eh? Those are new.
Flexible head Allen keys.
Yeah, those are cool.
We have them in Torx as well.
That's not bad.
Metric, standard, and Torx.
So 8, 5, 4, 6, and 7's back there. Nice. And in Torx.
30 to 50.
That's cool. 30 to 50.
Yep.
Huh.
Half-inch ratchets.
Are we beating this again?
Yeah.
I already told you the one to get.
Yeah, I know.
But you want it in green though, don't you?
Yeah. I'm just debating whether or not I need that, but I really want it.
Yeah. I love that ratchet actually.
Just this.
Yeah. Yeah, with the comfort grip. It's badass.
You have this in green?
Not here.
Well,
Can't stock everything.
yeah.
People always comment of how stocked your truck actually is though.
Yeah, I know.
Pardon me?
People always comment how stacked your truck actually is though.
What do you think?
Oh yeah. Like I wish my dealer stocked their truck like that.
I don't have much room left. That's the biggest problem, though.
No, well, I've said before, I look up here like every week. There's something that I've never saw before. Like this, like
Well,
you've managed to stuff
and what you don't see
80 pounds of shit into a 20-pound bag.
that people, I just pull out when people ask. This shelf is kind of a, I don't know, diagnostic testing shelf. So
Yeah.
all your fuel pressure gauges, oil pressure gauges, compression gauges, all that stuff is what's in these black boxes.
Mm-hmm.
Diesel compression, Oh, it's all in. But you never get to see that.
No. Antenna nut socket.
That's a relatively new kit for Deutsch terminals.
Oh yeah.
So, crimpers and disconnect tools. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, so I saw this over here, but is this the same? Use the same charger as the 14.4 chargers?
Use the same battery.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I thought that was the one that was over there that you were looking. I was looking at.
Same
No,
idea.
yeah,
That
yeah.
one has a laser in it.
That's right.
Yeah, not a lot of spare room.
No.
And I actually got a whole bunch of new promos in last night, and I couldn't put them in here.
Really?
I got to take something out.
Yeah, exactly.
So that corner's probably going to change over.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Take
Get
all
this-
the
get this
screwdriver
out of
sets
here.
out,
Yeah.
the floodlights, the knives. Empty these shelves from there down.
Yeah. This
Down in my
thing's
garage and bring new stuff in.
Is this one that fits on the bottom of the 14.4 battery?
Not on the bottom, that fits under the body. So that would come under here.
Okay. So if I wanted to say put it on this.
There's a different one that goes on here.
Yeah, see, that's what I was talking
And there's that one.
about. They're back ordered.
What do you mean two?
Lots of stuff's back ordered.
Like what?
All these are back ordered.
Do you have the?
These aren't back ordered, they're right here.
Well, not now. Before.
You gonna get one?
No.
I have red, I have high vis, and I have orange. Green is back ordered.
I could imagine. Everyone likes their green.
I thought you wanted that in green.
I do. I think I just get this because I do need them. Garbage. Get that. Order it again.
You sound like you're from Mississippi or something.
Probably. I lived with a bunch of newfies.
Because I do need one. When I go down by the bayou there,
All right.
I need to turn me a raptor. Grandma's on the front porch with the banjo. Oh, somebody's gonna get mad at me now.
Oh, probably. Either that or gonna be like, fuck,
Don't assume
damn
my
good accent.
Don't assume my accent.
Yeah.
Hey, some of my best friends are hillbillies and rednecks. It's not a knock against anybody.
Still friends with Rob, who's a redneck, so
All right.
Robert.
Let's
no.
do some business.
I'll be
Let's do some business.
Oh,
Mr. Rob.
Well, that was Snap on Wednesday. It was a great intro from Manny. It was good to see you, brother. We missed you here at the shop, and but it looks like you're doing really well. Fuck, I am jealous, man. I am so jealous. Vipers, I have been eating, breathing, shitting vipers literally since I was about, well, since '92. So, yeah, super jealous, dude. Fuck you. Anyway, I didn't buy anything off the truck today. I'm slowly trying to pay my Snap-on truck bill down. Not slowly, I'm actually trying to rapidly pay it down. I have a goal to get my Snap-on truck bill paid off, and I'm gonna go with a hutch. But going with a hutch means something else. I need a top, and so I've already reached out to my good buddy Brian from Shark, and so we're kind of in talks about that. So something really cool to look forward to in the channel. Not any time in the drastically near future, but very, very soon. So I'm super, super stoked about that. So had a couple of options, but yeah, still got some thinking to do on that. So you guys will all see that in time. In time, everything will come together, and get myself a hutch for the old '68
Saw some new stuff on the truck today. I did put as many part number, well, I did show as many part numbers as I could. Prices are, again, prices are prices. They're nothing that I'm really interested in. I think it's one of those things that, again, if you need it, you're gonna get it. So price really is no option for most of the times with me, unless I'm doing a tool review, which I do have to do a tool review. This thing is an absolute beast. So this will be my, and of course we'll put prices and part numbers and all that shit in that. So I do have a couple of things actually to show everybody in the next couple of videos. I had a couple of mail calls, but I just haven't had the time to put it into video, so I have to apologize to everybody who's sent me something that hasn't been in a video yet. It will be coming. Got something really cool to show you guys too. So I think that is literally it for this Snap on Wednesday video. Yeah, so remember guys, you can always hit me up on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, Snap on Collectors. I'm kind of all, and that is pretty much it. So remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up.